Hello all. Today we are discussing about the Python. This we are discussing regarding the Pythons. Python is like a programming language like C and C++. We will learn about any language before, then it will be easy to recollect all the Python concepts. It is a dynamic language because we are not giving any dynamic static type to the variable when we are declaring any variable like string variables or a string variable or any other kind of the variable like in the Java we are giving variable like we are giving the data type or that variables. So in the Python we are not giving any data type, specific data type. We are giving in Python 3 data type things is there like TypeScript. You will heard about the TypeScript, then it will be easy because we are type checking things we are introducing in Python 3. So don't worry if we are looking everything with the examples from beginner to high level advanced programming things. So today we are looking or brushing up the Python Python code. Basically, it's all about beginner things. So at least we are covering the three concepts for in one video like that. So we are starting with our first thing is variable. Uh, I want to allow something that this is like a code editor. This code editor is basically is one running on the internet. It's called Replit. So you can create your Replit account and use this Replit for your practicing thing on the coding or any other programming. Like you can practice here Java, JavaScript, TypeScript, or any other kind of program, C, C++. But today we are looking, means we are, this channel is basically for the Python only. So it will help you to become a good data science or any other field like data and geostics things. So yeah, we are looking for this video. First concept is a variable. Variable is like container. So we can take the one example like we have the three classes. In that class we can store, in one class we can store number 3 like that. Uh, in the second class is we can store string type variable, means we are in the in quotation mark we are giving the string like this. Are giving one name that's MLT 30 like this. This is a string variable. So we are covering everything in this video. So don't worry, don't go anywhere. And please do subscribe my channel, like my videos. And if you are thinking this channel is like a good or you want to support, and we can share you to your friends. Channel is basically made for practicing thing. Means we are creating one Replit file and we are giving all everything, three concept, all detailed things in one video. Yeah, so we can start our coding journey. You learn about variables. That a variable can be like this. We can declare like this. A is a variable. In this A, we can store 5 values. The Replit is good because it's giving the autopilot things and it's auto completing everything like this. If you enter the tab, then it will automatically use the your suggestion. Means that suggestion. Now, not we are not looking this addition thing, but we are talking about the variables. That A is like a variable name, C a variable, and in that variable we are storing the value 5, and one is variable B. In that we are storing 10 value. Yeah, this much is understand and goods. Okay, and we can print that value like this. Print. This is like good things in the Python. Say print a. We are printing that a. Means this print function basically doing a is printing on the console like here. Here is the console. We can, if we run the code, we are getting that values. Yeah, see this 5. Like that we can store in the one variable like if we are in the one C variable, in that we are storing one name, that is John. This John is like a string type. See, string is always quoted with quotation marks at initial and after ending of that string. There is a two way to declare the quotations. Means string is single. This is the absolute value. Z. Don't worry, we are correcting that. See, like this. And if you have print that variable, let's say now I'm printing. Don't worry about this. This is a directly shortcut key that we can select the line and Shift Alt and down keyword. This down key button. It automatically copy that things on the second another line. If you are printing that down D, then it will see print C will print this thing, the John value, John value. Print D will print Jane. If you run this, okay, this 5 and John and Jane is everything is printed after this. And Python is like down to bottom approach, means print A is there. After that, print C and print D. All values are printing like that. Only if you change the order of that print value after both the string, then it will print after both the string that value. Let's go on this. See, John, Jane, and 5. This is all about the variable scheme. And one thing about this print now, it has good features that we can look that into other videos like calculating everything. Means this all values should we are printing in one line like this. You can see here only. This will kind like this, comma B, comma C. It will print all the values in one line. See, 5, 10, and John. Yes, this is valid. Okay, we are now checking the other things in the Python. That is operator. Operator is all these mathematical operator, arithmetic operators like plus. This is a command thing. After adding hash and everything in, after that it will be like comment. We can view the highlight of that code like this. This all everything is suggesting here. See, plus, minus, multiplication, division, and modulo. This is all operators. This is a good things of this autopilot thing of this Replit. Don't worry. If you use a Replit for your beginning, then it will be good because it will have everything suggesting you like this. But it is not a good practice for a big now. But if you are code in other language like C and C++, and it will be good to practice more. Means in 1 minute you can cover more the things. because it will suggesting everything like that. So we can see what is this. The print a plus b is the what it will be doing. Printing a plus b. A plus b means a value is 5 and b value is 10. So it will be adding that values and giving the answer. For differentiating, we are adding one string, that is addition thing. It will differentiate. This is like addition. Another print we can do is like subtraction. Everything is completing like this. So being a creator, it will be good to teach you all this thing within short period of time. So this is a print a multiplication b. It will be giving the multiplication value. It division value and modulus. So this is all about operators. So if you want to look this thing in the console, then we can run the program and check what is be the output of this code. All this writing a after this after this we are printing everything that for the operators. We are adding the variables like this. So it will giving the correct answer. See, 10 plus 5 is a 15. 5 minus 10 is giving the negative value. See, it's all about Python. Don't worry about this. This division value is giving modulus value. Okay, this is all about our second concept. Third concept is like quite interesting. That is a list. List is like everything in the Python code. List, tuple. More are that like list, tuple, and dictionary. So we are giving more stress on this list. So we can look that. Don't worry about the list. List is same as a like array. We can call it as list in Python. Another language you can call it as array. You can call it array, but array concept is a separate like in NumPys and all. In 2D arrays, 3D arrays like that. So we are looking at listing in our code. And I'm adding one array. This is syntax for array. This is variable. You know about the variable like this. In that variable, we are storing one list. List is declared with the square brackets. So we are adding our values in for the list. Yeah, it's auto completing. So autopilot mode is all. It will code. This is our array. If you print this array, you can check array. Sorry, it is list in Python language. Okay, we differentiated that variable number as a list. So we can check what is the output of that code. Okay, yeah. See, like this you are getting that output. And this one is there, its index is 0. Because all lists are having one index for that particular elements in the list. So you need to check what is the index of that thing, then you can provide this. I'm just commenting because we are saving that this replet in our record moment. So we are checking number dot index of we need to check of index of 1. Let's check. what is the index of 1? Obviously it will be 0 because everything is starting with the 0. Oh, sorry, my bad. We not print that. We can print like this, or we can add one variable. Print this. Yeah, see, 0 is does. Yeah, this is all about the list. We can look more about list variables. No, variables and operators are this only like this. There is no more rocket science with the operators and variables. But list, we can have many methods for the list, that append like this. This is one method for the list. Uh, we are declaring the list dot index of 1 is index is the methods. Oh, what is the wrong here? Okay, this is an error thrown because the index 3, we are giving these 3 value in the index of 3, and this 3 is not present in this list. See, there is no 3. If you add 1 3 here, it will work smooth as we want, as expected. Yeah, check. 3 0 1 2. 3 index is 2, so it will print in this 2. Oh, that's about all the 3 concepts in the Python. This is our beginner video. You can share it with your friends, or you can look at this video with 2x speed for a quick reference for preparing the interview or a coding round. This is all about Python, 3 concepts. Let's see tomorrow. Bye.